Unlock real estate deals faster. But first, how much does Dealmachine actually cost? Dealmachine helps real estate investors find and acquire properties efficiently. Understanding its pricing plans is essential for optimizing your investment strategy. Dealmachine offers tiered subscription plans for individual investors, and growing teams plans are typically billed monthly or annually, with annual commitments often providing cost savings. The entry-level starter or growth plan includes core features like driving for dollars and basic property data access, perfect for individual users, at a foundational monthly fee. For scaling, professional or team plans offer unlimited leads, team collaboration, and advanced analytics. These higher tiers provide enhanced capabilities at an increased monthly or annual cost. Beyond the core subscription, Dealmachine provides add-in services like skip tracing for owner contact and direct mail campaigns, usually priced per usage, adding to your outreach costs. For the most accurate and up-to-date pricing, including promotions and feature breakdowns, always visit the official Dealmachine website directly. Choose the ideal plan for your journey.